Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 24th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the US dollar yen. I think we need to go up more. I don't think that this is just going to keep on trending down now. We have to keep in mind, as always, the higher time phase. And the higher time phase are definitely still in a downtrend, and they definitely still could continue the downtrend really at any time. But going down to the shorter time phase, I would expect this to potentially drift down a little, but I think there's a good chance it's just a crutch into the uptrend. I think there's a really good chance we're going to go up into maybe the 50% or maybe even the 61% because those seem like the areas with the most support or resistance in the past. So I think we're going to still end up making some sort of an ABC shape, some sort of a corrective Elliott wave pattern up to one of these higher fib levels. I think it's more likely going to be like the 61.8 or possibly the 50% Fibonacci retracement that we would potentially see the bigger shorting opportunity. And if you are trading the shorter time phase, looking for longs at the end of a wave B, definitely would be a potentially really good trade. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.